This AT&T Mobility Review covers everything you need to know. Find links to products mentioned below. A leading US mobile operator, AT&T offers diverse services for everyone from casual users to business pros. Known for extensive nationwide 4G and 5G coverage, AT&T delivers reliable service for daily use and demanding tasks like streaming and gaming. Their network excels in urban and suburban areas, with strong rural coverage too. AT&T offers prepaid, postpaid, and family plans with flexible pricing based on data, talk, and text needs. Individuals can get unlimited data with perks like HD video streaming, mobile hotspots, and international calling. Businesses can tailor plans for teams with data pooling and premium support. AT&T boasts a wide device selection, including the latest smartphones, tablets, and wearables, often with discounts and trade-in offers. Their customer service is reliable, with phone, chat, and in-person support. The My AT&T app simplifies account management, bill pay, and data tracking. However, some downsides exist. While coverage is broad, speeds can dip in crowded areas, and prices can be higher than smaller carriers, especially on postpaid plans. Customer service, while generally good, can have peak time delays. Overall, AT&T excels for those prioritizing reliable coverage, speed, and device selection. While not always the cheapest, its comprehensive services and strong support make it a top contender. See the description for more details on AT&T plans.